Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix game not launching errors on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X device. First of all, verify your game files and that they are correctly installed and accessible. And to do this, you have many different ways, either through your game launcher or, for example, from the desktop. If you have like a game icon here, you can hold your finger down on it. And then select Open File Location and make sure that the game files are located in this location in your File Explorer. And if you are playing games from the SD card, then ensure that your device can recognize your SD card by going to File Explorer and checking if your SD card is visible in this PC section. If everything seems alright, simply try to restart your device by opening the Start menu, go into Power Options, selecting Restart, and wait until your device is restarted. Then sign into your account and try launching your game again. If it doesn't help, then first try to reinstall the problematic game, which can resolve potential corrupt files causing launch issues, and check for updates. Go to Start menu, go to Settings, on the sidebar select Windows Update, check if there are any updates to your Windows. Besides, go to your Armory crate and check for updates in there. To check for updates in Armory crate, you have to open the Settings in the top left corner of the screen by tapping this gear icon. Then go to Update Center and make sure that everything you have here is up to date, and just in case also check for updates. Also try disabling the overlay or background apps that might be causing the issue. To do so, hold your finger down on the taskbar, select Task Manager, and then remove all the background apps that you see right here. Just hold your finger down on the task that you see could interfere with your game and select End Task like this. Also, try repairing or resetting the Xbox app. To do so, go to Settings. In Settings, select Apps on the sidebar, then go to Installed Apps and find Xbox in here. Once you find the Xbox application, tap the three-dot icon next to it, go to Advanced Options and find the Reset or Repair. Tap Repair and let your Xbox application be repaired. You can also reset it, though the app's data will be deleted in such case. And then try to relaunch your game. And if nothing helps, you should check game and anti-cheat software. So verify or repair anti-cheat software through game launchers, and you can also run anti-cheat services by finding the default one is Defender. Oh no, the default is Windows Security. So you may want to run the Windows Security scan by tapping Quick Scan right here and letting your device find if there is any potential malware on your computer. And then if system doesn't find anything, then you can run System File Checker. To do so, you have to open the Start menu, then search for CMD and run this program as administrator. Tap Yes, and then input the following command: sfc spacebar /scan now then press enter, and let the file checker repair any corrupted system files on your device. And so if issues persist after all of these basic troubleshooting steps, you should consider checking for game-specific support or community forums, as some launch issues might be due to some bugs or pending patches or some game-specific problems that many other people encounter and share these problems on the internet. So yeah, so in many cases you should actually check a game-specific forum, for example. Following all of these basic troubleshooting steps typically resolves most game launch failures on this device. And I really hope that this video helped you, and if it didn't, I still hope that you will find a solution as soon as possible. And I'm thankful to you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.